Good afternoon all. Welcome to my tutorial Python. The today topic that I'm going to explain is how to generate a salary slip. Here you can see a basic salary slip generation code is open. Hope everyone can see the salary slip generation code. This is a very simple generation slip, and here I did not use any standard rules of company. I have assumed it's a predefined some conditions so that you can understand the code. It's a predefined condition. I'm again repeating, it's a predefined condition. It's not an any standard rule for deductions or salary slip generation. It's just a predefined conditions. Okay, let's start the explanation of the code. Hash representing comment salary slip generation. Next, name equal to input. Here I have accepted the name of the employee as string. Therefore, no need to typecast it. Basic is a number, so you need to typecast it as integer. So I have written int, then input method through which you can accept the salary of employee. Next line, printf 3 backslash. Here backslash means horizontal tab, so that the message will be printed not from the left corner, but it will leave some spaces and start printing from the center of the screen, and it will look like good. Salary slip generation is the message. Then I am assuming I am giving MA means medical allowance as 2% of basic salary calculated. DA means dearness allowance. I am assuming employee is giving 0.1% of basic salary as DA. HRA again is a predefined condition by me. 0.05% of basic salary I have calculated. And gross salary, as you know, gross is the basic plus all the allowances. Here are the three allowances given: basic plus MA plus DA. So it's a gross salary. Next is PF. PF equal to 0.02 into basic salary. It's a deduction made by any employer for its employee. IT, income tax. It's the income tax, but it is not a standard rule. It's just a predefined condition provided by me. 0.04 of basic salary, right? Next, total deduction will be PF plus IT. Net equal to gross minus deduction. Next, printf, name of employee, name is printed, basic salary is printed, medical allowance is printed, dearness allowance is printed, house rent allowance is printed, gross salary is printed, provident fund is printed, income tax is printed as IT, net salary is printed as net. So here is my code, and I have explained all the line, what is every line is doing over there. So next now, run the code and see whether is what will be the output. Say I am giving my name as Shudipto. SUDIPTA. Right. Next, assume 35,000 is basic salary. So what will be that? Here you can see the message is not printing from the left corner of the screen. Is giving some horizontal space because of the backslash T, salary slip generation, and I hope it is printed. Yes, you can see name of the employee, basic salary, medical allowance, dearness allowance or daily allowance, whatever we say, house rent allowance, gross salary, provident fund, income tax, and net salary. Net salary is the salary that is we are getting at the end of the month after the deducting the provident fund and income tax from the gross salary. So gross salary is my 36,000.50, and provident after deducting provident fund and income tax from the gross salary, then I'm getting the net salary this much. So this is my I have finished the code here. I have explained the code, everything. Hope all of you understand the codes, and I like to say that you go through the code. If you think you have any doubt, or you want to make any comments, or you want to you want to express your views, you can write everything on the comment section below. Even I have also given the source code of the program in the details sections. So if you like to download the code directly from the details sections, you can find the link and you can download the code also. And the last thing, that if you like the code, please subscribe and share and like the codes. We will upload more and more code related to Pythons So if you like and subscribe, this will help me to upload more and more code related to Python. For today, that's it. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you.